Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay on YouTube from the settings, not from the actual video itself. Let's launch the YouTube app. Next thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner and click on your profile. Then when you're at your profile, you want to click on the gear icon in the top right corner. When you're at the settings, I want you to click on the autoplay option. As you can see over here, there is an option that you should turn off. This simply will turn off all the devices that are currently logged into this account. For example, if you have a tablet, if you have a mobile device, 2 or 3 phones that are currently logged into this account, when you change the setting from here on this iPhone, for example, it will change the setting on all the devices. Even if you, for example, log in through your Apple TV and log in through the same YouTube account, even on the TV, you're not gonna have the autoplay anymore. And this is how you're turning off the autoplay on YouTube. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.